Hi, I'm Katie with WTI. How do you take your espresso? I'm personally an Americano girl. I have saved both time and money using these espresso pods at home. One thing that I haven't had to skimp on though is flavor. These are so good. Look at this beautiful body and crema of this espresso. This espresso is so smooth. I walk around the house singing like Rob Thomas. Within seconds, I can have my favorite beverage made up in the morning without having to travel to the coffee shop and spend $4. If you haven't tried this Lavazza brand Armonico flavored espresso yet, what are you waiting for? You'll save yourself time and money, and you'll be enjoying the rich, creamy flavor from home. And let me tell you, this stuff is delicious. That's just my point of view.